Well, good day everybody. So today I got a package here at the door, and of course, what is it? LG2. What's everyone's favorite place? Lego Group, of course. So this is from Lego Shop at Home, and this is one that I've been waiting for a while, and I decided to get it. Now here is some more sets that I got, but I didn't get them from Lego. I bought them from Toys R Us because they were on sale, $4 cheaper than Lego per set. So for $14.95 versus $19.95, and I got two sets of those, so I saved almost $10 including tax by buying them at Toys R Us versus Lego. And of course, with Lego's new point system, that's absolutely foolish to begin with. It's just not worth buying it from them anymore, so I just don't care who I buy it from anymore. So that's why I got those at Toys R Us, because if I can save money, that's where I'm going to buy them. This here is pretty cool. Let's crack it open and I'll show you what is inside. Yeah. Tape was really sticky on that. That's good. So here we go. Lots of padding. What a beautiful box. What a beautiful box. Yes, it's Steamboat Willie. Oh, it's so cool. So cool. Going to work so well down in the amusement park. As well, I have some other ideas to incorporate this into something else as well. So, which we'll be able to use at the amusement park, of course. So, so that's going to be a good build. So that's the haul for today from Lego Shop at Home. I did not order anything from May the 4th. There's nothing there in the Star Wars line that really interests me, just to get the Death Star trench thing, freebie thing that they got. Okay, so we'll just put him on the build table here, and he will be ready to build. This is our quarantine build table, so we will put him in the list of stuff to be built. Now, I also picked up a couple of the new series of minifigures, and I actually picked up 4. I'm going to send a couple out to a good friend of mine, and I had 2 for myself. So I kind of was like feeling for the parts with gloves on, thicker gloves. So it's really hard now during these quarantine times to, you know, when you gotta have gloves on and masks and everything to try to do this, because it gets hot and everything. So I grabbed a couple for him, and I really didn't check to see what they were or feel or whatever. And I just dog-eared them so I'd know that they were his and that these were mine, and made that part of this haul as well. Alright, talk to you guys again very shortly in another video.